Hey, Wulf. Okay, what's going on with you? Listen. You know, you have to stop. Listen. You have to stop. You have to stop harassing Felix. You being a bad boy now, Wulf. What's going on? You know, Felix is our son too, not just you. Okay? You know, I'm not gonna get your favorite treat anymore if you behave like this with Felix. Wulf, look at that. Leave Felix alone, okay? Seriously. Don't go after Felix. You've been a bad boy now. Just leave Felix alone. Okay? Hey, Wulf. Not too loud, Wulf. Not too loud. Okay. Yeah. I know. I just got back today. Yeah. I've been missing all morning and almost afternoon, huh, Wulf? Yeah, you know, I have to do something so we can buy chicken. Come on, settle down. I'll make the chicken. Don't worry. Okay, I miss you, buddy. Say, I miss you, Erin. Come on, say it. Say it. Wulf. Come on, sit. No refill, Wulf. No refill, okay? You only eat twice a day, okay, bud? Okay? Wulf? Heck no. Heck yes, Wulf. That's for your health, okay? Okay, Wulf. Listen. Wulf, look at that. Leave Felix alone, okay? Seriously. Don't go after Felix. You've been a bad boy now. Just leave Felix alone. Okay? Hey, Wulf! Wulf! I want you to try to eat raw carrot. Seriously, here, try. Come on. You know, because so far I have to cook the carrot a little bit with chicken. Wulf? You don't want it? Why? Hey! Oh my God! Is it because the carrot doesn't smell like chicken? You're being a bad boy right now, Wulf. Look at that. You know, you make the carrot is a waste now. Okay, Wulf. No bueno, Wulf.